Hello guys and welcome back to Unlock Force for another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix unable to install. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, if you are facing this problem, you will have to watch this video till the end. So guys, here I would like to give you some solution to this problem, to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to restart your device. So first of all, you will have to restart your device to fix this problem. The second solution to this problem is that guys, you will have to turn on flight mode for some seconds, and after this you will have to turn off flight mode, and then you will have to try to install that app again. So guys, the third solution to this problem is that you will have to turn off Wi-Fi, and then you will have to turn off your mobile data. So guys, turn on your mobile data and then try to install that app again. So guys, the fourth solution to this problem is that you will have to clear history and websites. Guys, open settings, scroll it below, tap on Safari, scroll it below, clear history and website data. So guys, clear history and website data from here, and then again try to install that app. So guys, after this solution, the other solution for this problem is that you will have to check your software updates. So guys, open settings and tap on general and then check software updates. So guys, if there is any update to your software, you will have to update your software. After this guys, the last solution to this problem is that you will have to reset network settings. So guys, tap on general, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset, and then again tap on reset network settings. So guys, tap on reset network setting and then again try to install your app. So guys, hopefully after all these solutions your problem will be fixed. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.